In this video, I'll be going to show you some ways to make Windows 10 faster. The method we'll be using is very simple and will be clearly described in this video. Subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your digital problems. If this video helped you out, please like the video and leave a comment down below. Disable startup programs. What we're going to do is take a look at what's starting up with your computer when we turn it on. So let's open the Run app with Windows+R. Then type in msconfig. Select OK, then go ahead and go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Just open Task Manager, and in this window is a list of all the programs that start up with your computer when you turn it on. If you see anything on this list that does not need to be turned on with your computer, make sure that you disable it. And if you're unsure about a program, do not disable it just to be safe. So to clarify, everything on this list should only be enabled if you want it to start up with your computer when you turn it on, and everything else should be disabled. When you are done, go ahead and close out the Task Manager, and then click on the Services tab. Services is another word for programs or software that is running on your computer. Here on the list is everything that starts up with your computer when you turn it on. You want to make sure that you go through here and you disable certain things that you guys do not want turning on with your computer. The way to make it easy for you guys is go ahead and hide all Microsoft services. That way you're not going to turn off something that you're not supposed to. Go through this list very carefully and uncheck everything that you do not want turning on with your computer. Anything that has your computer name with it, or your Intel card, or your processor chip, or your memory, your graphics, Intel, make sure you do not uncheck any of those. But things like Google Update, Epic, online services, Steam, can all be turned off, no problem. Once again, if you're unsure about anything on the list, do not uncheck it. You can also check Google really quickly, type it in, and see what it is before you uncheck it. That way, you can make sure that you're not turning off something important or something that's not supposed to be turned off. When you're done, go ahead and click Apply, then click OK. If you are prompted to restart your computer, go ahead and exit without restart, and let's move on with the next one. Update Windows. Go down into the search box and type in Update and select Check for Updates, and make sure you go ahead and update everything you can on your computer. If you're prompted to restart your computer for updates, go ahead and do that now. When you come back, go ahead and go back and search updates and come back to check for updates. Once you guys are all up to date with your computer, go ahead and click Advanced Options and go down to Pause until Select Date. And the reason why we're going to do this is because every time you turn on your computer will be checking for updates. And what happens is this slows down your processor during startup and can cause lag when running programs. So I like to set it for Sunday morning, so that way during the week when I'm working and doing my gaming, I don't have any problems with the updates trying to run in the background. Alright, so when you're done, go ahead and close the window, and we will now proceed with the next one. Antivirus. Alright, now go ahead and turn on your antivirus program, whatever it is that you have installed protecting your computer. If you do not have an antivirus program or antivirus protecting your computer, this is a big problem. You can download free antivirus software from avast.com. I have been using Avast for a while, and it's easy to use. The features that come with the free version of their protection program are actually legit and keep your computer safe. Now, once you have your virus protection open, you guys are going to want to run a full scan on your computer, making sure that you're checking everything, not just the files. Go ahead and make sure that everything is selected, run that check, and make sure that you are free of any viruses or malware. Alright, the last one we have for you is Clear Temp Folder. So what we're going to do now is clear up our temp folder. Go ahead and go down into the search, type in run, select the run app, type in temp, click OK. Once here in the temp folder, just select everything and delete it. Go ahead, close the window and then go ahead and run the run app one more time, %temp%, click OK. Make sure you delete everything in this temporary folder as well. Some of the files might be in use, so you can just go ahead and skip those and close the window, and that's that. So that's pretty much it. That was some ways to make Windows 10 faster. I hope that I got to help you out with this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like and leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.